Hello, welcome back to my channel, current subscribers, and welcome to my channel if you are a new subscriber. If you aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and hit the like button to upgrade my like status on to the YouTube algorithm so I can get more people to look at my content when it comes to jobs offers on a daily basis. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. But this job right here is from Aston Carter, and it's a legal support. It's a remote position based out in Phoenix, Arizona. It's an $18 to $20 per hour job. It's a contract job, and the resume insights you will need to have is AWS experience and e-commerce experience, and your education and certificate is bachelor's degree. Most likely you might have to have that, and they'll go into more depths of that when you do more research on the job to see if you need the bachelor's degree or not. It has, I don't know if it is or not, but you guys, this is a $18 to $20 hour job. It might be preferred but not required for this job, the bachelor's degree, most likely. The job type is contract job, equivalent experience, a full job description. Our large e-commerce tech client is hiring for a legal assistant to come join the AWS infrastructure legal team. Role will be 100% remote, but must reside in the state that works in Pacific Standard Time. Example: Washington, Oregon, California, and Arizona. Pay rate is $19 to $20 per hour. And daily schedule is 9 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And the job description is performs a variety of administrative functions for AWS infrastructure legal, including coordinating, approval, execution, and internal filing of contracts, receiving, delivering, and tracking legal notices, calendaring team meetings, assisting internal clients by responding to contract-related inquiries, providing help with legal software and tools, and answering process-related questions and providing backup contract execution support for other legal assistance. Requires strong writing and oral communication skills, ability to work independently, and as a part of a collaborative team. Okay, client service oriented and strong attention to detail, experience managing a high volume of requests and competing deadlines, and strong desire and aptitude for learning new concepts. 2 years of experience working as a legal assistant or in an administrative capacity. Legal experience is a plus. Reports to a manager. So legal experience is a plus, but it's not required. Story behind the need, business group, and key projects. Can you tell me more about the culture of your team? Transactional team, doing agreements to get data center capacity, independent work, but with a lot of collaboration. Need to be responsive, team-based culture with a lot of idea sharing, direct interaction with business team. They are finding solutions for growth. Key job responsibilities: coordinating contract approvals, signatures, and filings, creating and maintaining internal legal and business facing guidance, trainings, and other resources, effectively using and managing all software systems and tools used by the legal department and by our specific legal team. Teaching team members and business users how to effectively use tools. Identifying and executing on legal and business face process improvements, including simplification measures to eliminate repetitive, low spend, or low risk work. Providing general administrative support, including contract searches and organization. Help with presentations and trainings, meeting coordination, organizing travel arrangements, and creating and submitting expense reports. Acting as a primary resource or go-to for the team. Basic qualifications: 2 years of experience working as a legal assistant or in a legal capacity. Bachelor's degree must have, so you have to have the bachelor's degree. It's a must. It's a must. Yes, it definitely says that. And strong writing and oral communication skills, ability to work independently. Client service oriented with strong attention to detail. Preferred qualification: strong desire and aptitude to learn new concepts, ability to demonstrate sound judgment in ambiguous situations. Legal experience is a plus. Aston Carter is talking about the business, and it was established in 1997, and they provide a high caliber talent and premium services to more than 7,000 companies across North America and spanning 4 continents and more than 200 offices. We extend our clients' abilities to seeking solvers and delivering solutions to address today's workforce challenges. And so this is where you can visit the website, which is astoncarter.com, ASTON capital CARTER.com. And this is the company's website. And they have reasonable accommodations for people with disabilities, and to help out with the job application process. And it just posted this job today, so you guys can get into it. That's one job that you guys can get into as well. Now, the other job that I had lined up is, I have to keep strolling because it was up here a second ago. It is remote call center agent, Spherion staffing, based out in Jacksonville, Florida. Remote, $15 per hour. It just got posted, and the salary is there. Full-time position. Benefits are dental insurance, employee discount, health insurance, opportunities for advancement, and vision insurance. And this is a full job description of Spherion. Jacksonville is looking for call center customer service agents for the Coach call center. We have many customer service opportunities available for a wide range of shifts. Our customer service representatives will be working with Coach customers primarily regarding order management. Representatives will be responsible for taking inbound calls, chats, and emails. This is a great opportunity to advance your customer service career and work with a well-established brand known for trend setting and modern luxury. This position will be remote after training and post-training mastery period, and they provide the necessary equipment. Position overview. The customer care professional, CCP2, is accountable for delivering an elevated modern luxury experience on incoming phone calls and emails from Coach customers. Responsibilities include supporting customers who contact us for reasons such as to place an order, check an order status, inquire about a repair, seek product information, or resolve an issue. The job responsibilities are respond to incoming phone and email contacts from customers in a professional and efficient manner. Mitigate customer escalations through effective decision making and problem solving skills. Maintain knowledge and ability to effectively articulate the client's brand, products, policies, and procedures. Drive sales by offering to place orders and suggest complementary items based on customers' needs and preferences. Leverage multiple systems and tools to effectively handle customer contacts, to simultaneously handle cross-functional tasks, including calls, emails, and data processing. Other duties are assigned. Ideal representatives will have passion for working within a team environment that delivers great customer experiences, demonstrated customer service skills preferably in a retail and/or contact center environment, excellent verbal and written business communication skills, ability to multitask in a fast-paced environment and handle shifting priorities, strong attention to detail, effective decision-making, problem-solving, and follow-up skills necessary, ability to work overtime hours as dictated by business needs, intermediate computer skills, including proficiency in Windows, navigation, and MS Office, luxury retail experience, and the benefits you'll have once again are dental insurance, employee discount, health insurance, and vision insurance. It's an 8-hour shift and day shift, Monday to Friday, weekend availability, ability to commute, relocate to Jacksonville, Florida, 32218, reliability, commute, or planning to relocate before starting work required. And it's in one location. They're hiring 10 plus candidates. Excuse me. Sneezing. Allergies. But yes, this is it for my jobs for today, you guys. If you like these jobs, you can apply at Spherion Staffing. And excuse me, I'm about to sneeze again. And let's see. Sorry for the long pause, you guys. And the prior job with customer service for the other position. Excuse me. But yes, that's it for today, you guys. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. And keep on sparkling, Diamond Crew, because you got it going on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You guys can do this, and you are able, and you are willing, and you're going to make it into one of these jobs. I have faith in you. I know you got this. You got it, you got it, you got it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.